please. Before we start, search IQcodec on YouTube. Click on the like and subscribe button. Remember to activate the bell to stay tuned with our latest updates.
What's up guys, welcome back on IQcodec to this new tutorial video. So as you all know, I already started school, so my schedule will be somehow tricky, but promise I'm going to provide time for you guys. So once more, I'm very grateful for the 700 subscriber hit on IQcodec. I'm very grateful for you guys having us supported. So today, the subject matter of this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually use a video as the background of your desktop. So what do I mean? To use a live wallpaper on your desktop, which will actually beautify your desktop for your friends, for your own personal usage. So for this, I'm going to be using an application known as the push wallpaper. If you notice, I have the application with the crack, giving you the possibility to enjoy 100% what the application has to offer. So for this, what I'm going to do first, I'm going to be installing a trial version of the application. So the download link of this application will be provided in the description. And another notice, if it's your first time on this channel, please click on the subscribe button to stay tuned with our latest update. So as you can all see, installation complete. Let us launch and see what we got. So if you can notice, here's already a video on my desktop. So this man is actually dancing. I don't know the song is dancing, but I think I love the dancing moves of this dance. So if you notice, we already have a video on our desktop, and you can actually decide to change it. So it all depends on you. So you can see what we are going to first do is that we're first going to be cracking the application. So you can see there's another video on the background, which is actually a video of a beach. So first of all, let us proceed with cracking, because if you notice, they say activate license. So let us first crack, because what I'm using now is a trial version. So to crack it is pretty easy. What you're going to do is just in the folder you can have the crack file. What you need is first to copy and paste the crack executed file to the file location of your video wallpaper. So just paste and replace. When that is done, the next step, which you are going to proceed by opening, because the cracking process is not yet complete. So to complete it, if you notice here, back on the folder, this we have a readme. So you see, we're going to crack it using the username elite_n. So note it, just copy back to our video. So let's try and activate. So you can see you have the license name. I'm just going to paste it and have the activation key. So please hit on the like button to support us and actually share this video with your friends. So let us try license is valid. So let us click. So that is done. If you can see, we are already licensed a pro version without paying any dime for it. So let us proceed now to changing these videos on your desktop. So for this, you can actually decide to stop, click, select all and delete. Now what you're going to do, we're going to be adding videos of your choice. So what I'm going to do, as you can all see, I already have a folder on the video I'm going to use. So you can add them by simply clicking on the plus sign. You can see I'm going to choose the two of them and click on the add button. So here the videos already playing on my background. So what things you can do with this is that you can actually add them, and you can also edit the speed to which you want the video to play. You can edit for a loop. You can add the speed. Let me see. So here on the setting, if you can add the speed. Let me say 1.5. So if you notice, the speed of my background video has added. So please hope this trick is going to beautify your desktop. And if you love this video, please share with your friends, comment if you have any problem, and thanks for viewing this video. See you next on IQcodec. Have a nice day. Bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.